Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we're going to talk about DIY lash extensions. I'm going to go ahead and give you the full tea on which ones to get and which ones not to get. So the very first lash extension kit that I purchased was from Urban Dolls. Now I found them on Instagram. They pulled me in because they was like, oh, these are water resistant, waterproof, you can go swimming in them and they're not going to fall off. But anyway, I went ahead and purchased a set. First off, their shipping takes forever. I bought them for me to go on a vacation. I went to Jamaica. I was planning on going to Jamaica. I had bought them like a month in advance. I'm thinking that maybe they was going to get to me in time. They didn't. I didn't get them until basically 3 weeks after I went to Jamaica and came back. So give you a heads up, the shipping is forever. Okay, it's not Amazon Prime up in here. When I purchased, they have this lash kit. I'm gonna put it to the side. The lash kit that they had available, pretty much you get the lash glue, the lash bonding glue, the bonding seal. You get 2 pair of lashes. You didn't get to choose 2 different lashes, so whatever pair of lashes you pick, you get 2 of them, which I didn't too much care for. I felt like if they're gonna give you 2 lashes, let me choose 2 different lashes. But that's not here nor there. They also gave you like this lash, the lash remover. Now that, I don't have it on me because I actually dropped it. Out of the set, I only have 1 pair of lash left, which is this one here, is In Your Dreams. And yes, that's exactly how I feel, that these lashes was gonna work in my dreams. With these lashes, I really don't have any pros about these lashes. The lashes itself, okay, a pro. The lashes itself, these lashes In Your Dreams are so beautiful. When you look at them, they're so pretty. I don't know if you can see that, but the curl of the lashes is like, they go, bloop, but the curl is very, very tight. And when you put them on, I feel like they're even tighter. I didn't expect them to be as tight as they were or are, because the lashes that I have on now, they're way tighter than these. Like, they actually go bloop, like hitting your lid tight. That's the only pro that I have about this set, is that they look pretty. They are pretty. The lashes are very pretty. Con, the lash band is too thick. And you also get a lash tweezer. If you look at the lash band is black and it's thick. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on, wait. Let me. Is it working? I don't know if you can see it, but the lash band is black and it's thick. With me applying them, they were very uncomfortable. When you apply these lash extensions, they recommend for you to go underneath the lash to apply them, like under the lash and not on top of the lash. When I first tried them out, I'm thinking like maybe I applied them too close to my waterline and maybe that's the reason why they're uncomfortable. The first time I wore them, I actually have a video where I put them on everything. If you want to check out that video, I'm gonna put it down below in the description box and also in the eye. After I applied them, they irritated my eye just a little bit, but not enough for me to be like uncomfortable and I had to take them out. I put them on like late at night. I made sure I showered, I washed my face, because I was like, okay, I know with these lashes that you're really not supposed to wash your eyes. So I was like, let me go ahead and do that before I put them on. So at least, you know, I got a day or so before I'm like, yo, I really need to wash my lashes. So I was like, okay, I did them right before bed. I was a little irritated sleeping, but I was thinking that maybe it was because it's a foreign object on my lashes and I'm not used to it. When I woke up, my eyes was crusty. My eyes were crusty. And it wasn't like nothing where they was, you know, closed shut, but I had crusty boogers like all around my lashes, and I was just like, oh, okay. So I took like a paper towel, some warm water, and I just wiped it off. But I was like, okay, well, this is not gonna work for me. So at first I was just gonna wipe it off, but then I noticed while I was wiping it off that my lashes was like crooked. So I was like, maybe I slept on my face, because I was really trying to sleep pretty light so I won't mess up the lashes. But I was like, maybe sometime when I actually did fall asleep, I, you know, laid on my lash, I took them off. I waited until the following weekend. I was like, okay, let me try it again, but this time I'm not gonna apply them so close to my lash line. They just didn't stay on, to be honest. They just didn't stay on. Like when I woke up, they was in my pillow. Another thing that I haven't mentioned is that the glue is fine, but when it comes to the sealing, the bun seal, it gives off like this white crusty cast on the lashes. And I tried it 2 separate ways. The first time I tried it was the way that they explained it in the instructions. Second time that I applied the lashes, watched a tutorial on their website. They do have somebody doing a tutorial on how to actually apply the lashes and little tips and tricks. I tried their tips and tricks, and then the next day, that's when I found the lashes on the bed. If you're new to this, I wouldn't recommend this one either. This is the Kiss Lash Contour Lash Mapping Kit, the 3D DIY Fox extensions. Now, I thought this one was pretty cool because you have these here, and you can kind of customize your lashes to suit what you're looking for. The ones that they have is the cat eye, they have spiky, and then they have a natural. I don't know if you can see the different options they have there. They also give you a blank one so that you can kind of draw and make your own style. Also in the kit, you get a spoolie, a tweezer. I was like, girl, that's a little pointy. The pointy 12mm. You also get the pointy 16mm, classic 12mm, and a classic 14mm. So the mm is pretty much like the length of the lashes. Obviously, the smaller the number, the shorter the lashes, the bigger the number, the longer the lashes. And then for classic is really more for like a natural look. So in the kit, in the black, you get the lash adhesive. And then this white one is the lash remover. And these pockets here is where you put the glue pockets, obviously. And then you dip the lashes in there to get the glue on it and then apply it to your lashes. So this one is a little bit different when it comes to the instructions. This one you do not have to apply the lash glue onto your lashes. You apply the lash glue onto the lash band. You let it sit for a little bit so it can get tacky, and then you just apply it to your lashes. The instructions for this is like very basic, straight to the point. At this point, trying this one, this was my 3rd attempt of doing these DIY false lashes. I was really excited for them, and once again I put them on. I was like, let me put them on during the day so I could just see how they work. I was at home. I was like, okay, cool. So I put them on later on the day when I got ready to go to bed. Went to bed, woke up, they fell off again. They fell off. They didn't stay on. I don't know, I just couldn't keep them on. They just wouldn't stay on for me. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe I just sleep well, to be honest. Maybe I just sleep well. Let me give you some pros about this is that it gives you options and different styles of applying your lashes. So depending on what you looking for, if you're looking for a natural lash, if you want to do like a more, you know, winged eye, if you doing a date night or something like that, a sultry look, you have options and able to put them on how you want to, depending on how you feel. The kind that I would say out of this one is that the lash adhesive was tacky. It doesn't provide you with a sealant, so it doesn't, at least with me, it didn't dry down. So like the next day it was still tacky. Once again, the lash band is thick. It's not as thick as Urban Doll lashes. I don't know if you can see that. The thickness of the band is not as thick as the Urban Doll. They were a lot more comfortable when I put them on. However, like I said, they fell off. Last set of lashes that I tried is not even a set. I kind of like mix and match things to kind of make what I wanted and what I was looking for. What I did is I got the Kiss Falscara, this one right here. So this has the bond and the seal in one. One side is the bond and the other side is the seal. It's pretty much the same. It's like, it's clear. As for the lashes, now don't get me wrong, the Falscara, you can buy a set with the lashes, but I chose to pick up a set of lashes, and I was like, you know what, instead of me buying lashes, let me go ahead and get these. Let me try these out. I got the Ardell Lash Trios. Now, the reason why I chose to go with these lashes is because the Lash Trio, these lashes have, I don't know if you can see that, it has a clear band. I would recommend you getting individual lashes like this that has a clear band. The band is so much thinner, it's so lightweight, and then not only that, you can't even see the band underneath your lashes. And I didn't realize that until I used this and I tried it with the clear band. The other too, you could see, it looked like you had false lashes on because you could see the band. Even though you was putting the band underneath your lashes, you could still see the band. I pretty much followed the same steps I got from the Urban Doll, the influencer who actually gave you like instructions and tips and tricks on how to use it. I give it, out of the 3, I would say this was like the best experience. They stayed on for 3 days. I kept them on for 3 days, and then I decided to take them off, and I'll tell you why later. They stayed on 3 days. The first day they didn't come off. They look brand new, as if I had just did them. So they wasn't crooked, they wasn't leaning, they didn't fall off or anything like that. So I was like, perfect. If I'm not mistaken, this is supposed to last like a... Y'all, this camera was disrespectful and went off on me. Out of the 3, I would say this is the best set. The only con that I have out of it is that the lashes is so... Like, I love the lash band, I love the thinness, but the lashes itself are very blunt cut. I'll still use this up, but if I was to go look for, once I get to the point where I want to purchase more lashes, I'll probably look for something that has more of a natural tip instead of a blunt cut. That's my recommendation if you want to do the DIY lash extensions. I think that's it. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you think about lashes, what combination of DIY lash extensions you like. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you all for watching, and remember, you are made for more. See you later. Bye.